Dave here, and we are going to take a look at a project that we are starting in just the next week or so. This is the property right here. We're looking at it from an aerial view. You can see there's a couple nice houses in the area that are sprouting up, and we are going to be adding a brand new top floor on this house. We're going to be bumping out. I'm going to just spin this property around right here to give you a better idea. We're going to be removing the entire top floor of this project. We're removing the roof of this addition, and then we're going to be bumping out the entire rear of the home, and then we're bumping out behind this room over here, and we're going to be going over the entire structure with an add a level, a full beautiful transformation, first floor, second floor. Let's go down and we'll zoom in on this particular property right now, and you can see it's your standard Cape Cod home. What we're going to end up doing is, again, going straight up and replacing all the windows. The whole first floor is getting stripped down to the studs, all new windows, all new utilities, and it's going to be a beautiful project when it's completed. And let's go in there. We'll take a look at some of the files that we have here. So again, this is looking down at the survey. This is all provided by us, and you can see now here's the existing house right here. Here's the sidewalk, and okay, so that came back. So what's happening is this is the existing house, and then we're adding a two-story addition behind the room that's over here, and another addition behind the main portion of the house. And just to give you another idea of what that looks like, oops, let's get out of there, and here it is right here. So yeah, we're going above this area right here, and we're going above this whole top floor. So let's jump back into the files, and I'll show you the floor plans. Now here is the second floor plan. You have bedroom over here, another bedroom, and the third bedroom. This is the master suite. All new windows. You have a laundry up here, and it's going to be a beautiful open staircase. So you're going to have this left corner here. You're going to come in through the front door, which I'll show you on the first floor, and then you will enter and go up this U-shaped staircase, leads you up to the top floor hallway. You have your hall bathroom right here, and then the hall takes you into bedroom 1, 2, and then at this area right here is the entry, and this whole section, all of this is all master suite. You have your master bathroom, double sink toilet, and an oversized custom shower. Beautiful master bedroom with a tray ceiling and a very large walk-in closet. Now let's take a look at the first floor, and as you recall, here is the area walking up to the second floor, and here is our first floor. And you walk in through the front door. We're going to be changing all these windows. This is the addition over here. This whole back section is an addition. And then we're going to be stripping down this whole area, this existing area over here, stripping it down. You can see the header marks. We're going to have some structural beams in there that will allow this ceiling to be one level all the way through. It really looks nice. You can see all the recessed lighting that we're going to be installing. And just to give you a quick walkthrough, as you walk in the front door, it's going to be completely open, front to back. Foyer, family room, dining room, kitchen, everything is open. And when you come in here, you're going to see the open foyer right here, which will lead you up to the second floor. We have a coat closet down here, and as you make your way past this first arch, this open archway right here, on the right side is a nice open office with some French doors looking in, and then we're going to have the existing bathroom we're going to be remodeling, and then all this opens up to kitchen. We're going to have an oversized pantry here, wrapped with all countertops, cabinets, nice island, and then on this side will be the dining, looking in to a completely open family room and a gas fireplace. Let's take a look at an elevation. Now this is the front of the house, or what it's going to look like. And here, we'll take a look again here. Here's the existing. And here is the new. And we're going to be adding all oversized windows, decorative stone package. And it's just a really nice look. Let's take a look at the back of the house. This will be a walkout to the backyard. You saw that oversized backyard. I'll show you one more time the backyard, and look at the size of this backyard right over here behind the house. Oops, where is it? My cursor isn't working here, but that's okay. So anyway, you can see the house, and right over in this area over here is the full backyard. And let's get back into the file. Oops, right here. So yeah, here is the back of the house. Again, all these are 3050 oversized windows. Here's your kitchen window. And this is a complete top floor. We're going to have a cantilever in the back. Let me see if I could show you that cantilever. Yeah, here's the cantilever, which extends the master bedroom area. And it's just a really nice setup for this young family in need of more space. And you've heard about our program and New Jersey families in need of space, even in some cases where they're purchasing a fixer-upper. This house, this particular family has owned for a couple of years. But we're going to be fixing this house up, transforming it, and it's going to be a beautiful transformed home when it's completed. And we're going to be filming this project from beginning to end. It's going to be, filming is going to start in about a week or so. And you're going to see every phase of this project. It's turnkey, floors are finished, painting is completed. Just bring your furniture and move right back in to this particular home. And if you have any questions about your home transformation, feel free, give us a call back at 201-774-3733. Again, 201-774-3733. As for me, I'm Dave Pangione, and thanks for watching.
Hey guys, if you're interested in information on how to hire a contractor, I put together a list. Click on the link down below. You'll get that information for free. Again, click on the link down below and you'll get that information on how to hire a contractor. You'll get it for free. I'd really appreciate if you took the time just to click on the like button for this video. You could also subscribe to the channel, but if you click on that like button, it really helps us out. Again, just a little button on the down below. It says like, click on it, and I really appreciate it. Thanks.